am so excited to film this video because I am hoping that it is a solid purchase that I made. I have done a Huda Beauty mystery unboxing here on my channel before. She did it a while ago and it was pretty awesome. So I went ahead and I purchased both sides. I went ahead and I purchased both bags so we could see what's inside and what this deal was. Let me know down in the comments if you guys were able to snag one of these mystery bags. I don't know if she still has them available. If she does, I will definitely link it down below. But if she does still have them available, I will link it down below. But we're gonna go ahead and get diving into this. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Steph here at Steph's Beauty 05. And if you guys are new, I hope you guys will take the time to subscribe to my channel. If you guys are already subscribed, thank you so much for returning, and let's just get into it. I was very impressed with how quickly the shipping was. I actually got a shipping confirmation, like, hey, your box is coming in the day that morning or like the night before, and it was like, please allow like 48 hours for it to like come or whatever. And then it showed up at my door the next day and I was like, what? Very quick. I mean, very, very quick. So little cute wrapping paper. There was only two mystery bags to choose from. There was a small or a large. The small one retailed for $49 and then the large one retailed for $89. This is actually really cute wrapping paper. You know, the little like things, what is it? The little bubbles in here are actually in the shape of hearts, which I think is a really cute little touch. So there are two little samples in here. The first sample is the Yo Glow by Wishful, and then the Yo Detox as well. I have tried the Yo Glow, but I have not tried the Yo Detox. Let's go ahead, and here you have the first bag. It's a pretty decent size, actually. It says Huda Beauty right here. It is holographic, but you can still see inside, which I appreciate because I like to be able to see inside the bag, just, you know, in case I don't want to like sift through it, I can just kind of go like this. So the first thing I have here is by Wishful, and it is a sample of this Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. So here we have the very first product. It is one of the Huda Beauty Metal and Matte, I believe, liquid shadows. This is in the shade Room Service and Do Not Disturb. You know, I've heard some people really like these. I've heard other people just don't really care for them. The matte one, and then this is the shimmery one, and the shimmery one actually has like a little, it's like a lip gloss, like a little lip gloss applicator versus the matte one that has a doe foot applicator to it. Next product we have is a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Bonnie. I actually own a few of these, not this particular shade, but I do own some of her liquid lipsticks. I really do like her formulas for liquid lipsticks and her Demi Matte formulas. They're very comfortable and they're really easy to wear. Ooh, that's a bright color, but I kind of like it. I like that. It's like a kind of a bright pink. All right, next up we have is the Huda Beauty Seductress. Ooh, this is one of her diamond bombs. Okay, so I have seen these when they like launched, you know, I just looked at them. I almost bought some and I was like, I don't know, like I just don't see the reason to buy them, but they looked really cool. So here it is. It's like a holographic packaging, and as you move up towards the top, it does fade away. And then let's go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh. Again, so pretty. Look at how beautiful that is. All right, we have to do a close-up. You guys have to see this. So it is like a lip balm, but it does have glitter to it. I don't know if you can see that. And see kind of where it's at right here. It's kind of glittery right there. The glitter's probably gonna stay on your lips after a while, so I don't know how much I like that, but presentation, man. So the last thing I have here, no freaking way. See, now I think this is definitely worth the money now. All right, this is the Huda Beauty Nude Rich palette. Oh, it's so pretty too. Look at how pretty that is. So gorgeous, and the packaging is beautiful. I like wipe that glitter bomb on me and I feel like I have it like all over my hair. That is 4 products for, again, the price of $49. Let's move into the big one. I'm excited. I'm even more excited because I'm hoping that the bigger bag will have like more bomb stuff. It is the same makeup bag, as you can see. Massive, $89 for this one. I'll be honest, when I just bought it, I just went online really quickly because sometimes these things tend to sell out really quickly. So I just went on and I hit purchase, and I checked out and left. So I don't really know exactly how many products are supposed to be in here. But the small mystery bag, it says that you are guaranteed 4 items plus the bag. And then the top, this big, large mystery bag is 7 items guaranteed with the bag. Let's get into it. I was just thinking right now, like, when's the last time I bought a Huda Beauty product? And in my Sephora haul, I did purchase her Huda Beauty, like her Balm Brows or whatever. I'm actually wearing it today. That brow pencil is so good. So let's move into the first thing, which is the Huda Beauty Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. I didn't even know she had one. Straight edge. You can see one side is flat right here. Feels good. Feels good. It's pretty stiff. I won't know until I try it, but product number 2 is a Huda Beauty, another lip balm. This is in the shade Negligee. What is the other one I got? This one is in Seductress. Oh, come on. It's like, it almost has that blue-brown kind of a look to it from MAC. Do you remember? You know that, like, that's what it has. That's the first thing I think of. But Huda Emoji? Yeah. This is this a car freshener? I think it's a car freshener. It says loyalty is royalty. I have the Huda Beauty Life Liner Duo Eyeliner Pencil and Liquid in Very Vanta, which is their extreme black. The top, just a basic black eyeliner, and then the bottom is actually pretty stiff. I don't know. Next up I have is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. So I got the sample and I got the full size, baby. And this is, I don't know, suitable for all skin types, dermatologist tested. It is gentle, simple, and effective. It has lavender, honey, niacinamide, turmeric. It's supposed to help with luminosity, hydration, decrease your pore size, and instant soothing. Next thing I have is the 3D highlighter palette. Oh, I don't have this one, but I did have one a while ago. I did declutter it, but I had a different one, not this one. This is the Bronze Sands edition. So here you have it. So there you have the 4. Next up I have is another lip product. This is her lip strobe in the shade Ritzy. I don't know that I actually would use this product. I loved them, but how many do you need? All right, let's see. Yeah, I probably will keep it. I'm gonna use the... Oh, that's beautiful. From like this distance, it looks gorgeous, but who knows? Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. It's not as glittery. It's not as glittery as I was expecting it, or super shiny, which is really nice too. So, all right, we'll give that a shot. Okay, and then the last thing I have is an eyeshadow palette, which I already own this, so I'm not going to keep it for myself, but it is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette, the remastered palette. Again, like I said, I had the original one. I did declutter it a long time ago because I wasn't happy with it. Then I got it again. Where did I get it? I don't remember how I got it. Maybe I got it on like a sale or something. I don't remember, but I got it again and I ended up using it and I love it so much more. So definitely not going to open this one, but this is what I got inside. So here are all of the products, all 7 products. They actually did not consider this little thing to be number 7, which I was a little bit nervous about, but you do get basically a full face of products to work with. That is both bags, you guys. I am very impressed with the products. Although I do wish the eyeshadow palette was one of her more newer palettes. I think I would have been way more excited to see that. The highlighter palette, we'll give it a shot. We'll see how it works. But overall, I'm very impressed for the money well spent. I'm very happy with the money I spent and the products that I received. I will definitely use the makeup bags as well. So if you guys did end up snagging one of these mystery bags, let me know down below what you guys are excited and hope to get. That's the fun part about mystery bags, is just figuring out if it's going to be worth it or not worth it. But have a wonderful rest of the weekend, afternoon, day, night, whatever it is. Just have a great day, you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you guys on my next video, and thanks so much for watching today, and I'll see you soon. Bye.